Here at the Wix dashboard, you want to go to your left side of your screen, and then you want to scroll down until you see these settings. Just click on settings. Here on finance and payments, you want to click on getting paid, and then on the getting paid settings, you want to click on invoices. And then here on invoices, you can just see the preview of your invoices right now. And then to change it, you can customize right here on this header details, business info, tax display, payment receive, and then footer notes. For example, if I click on header details, just click on this arrow. First, you can change the invoice document name and number by click on invoice and then click on add custom name. And then you can also edit the invoicing number. So for example, if you want to start by 100 or 1000, and then you can also change the logo of it, of this invoice. For example, if I click on this edit logo, and then right here on the logo, just click on replace image, and then click on any image that you like. You can upload from your computer by click right here on upload media. After that, just click on any image, and then click on choose file at the bottom right of your screen. After that, don't forget to click on save. So after you change something, if you see this button save or discard, then you want to click on save to make sure that the change was saved. After that, just go back, and then it will take you to the invoice right here. Just click on back. And as you can see, the logo right now is changing. You can also change the header fields, but the issue date and the due date is permanent and cannot be removed. But you can also add another field by click right here on tracking number, reference, POSO, or sales representative. And you can also create a new field. So for example, if I click right here on the choose a field, and then click on tracking number, as you can see, the tracking number is appearing on the invoices preview. After that, you can go to business info. And then here to change the business info, you can just go to edit business info. And then after that, you can go to tax display, and then just customize if you want to add additional text column or item subtotal per tax group. And you can also change the payment receive if you want to show the details of the transaction or not. And then the last one, to change the footer, you can just add a thank you note for the order, or if you want to add your social media link, you can do it right here on notes or terms. After that, don't forget to click right here on save at the top right of your screen so your invoices is not discarded. And there you go. That's how to create or customize invoices on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.